All right, guys, we're at Valley Forge Casino Hotel for Philly Splash 2019. I want to go in here and see if I can pick up anything, maybe, grab a couple of things I've been looking for. Also, first time being at a Reef event, so really interested in seeing, some of the displays and some of the things that people are setting up. Local stores in my area don't really have a lot of, I guess, different stuff. You get what you get. So hopefully I'm able to pick up the things I'm looking for and hopefully catch a great deal on them. Let's go with this bright one right here. So I've been in an event for a little bit. I had to walk around. Very crowded, but there's a ton of stuff that you can select from here. I mean, I'm surprised at how much livestock is here, and these clownfish are so tempting at two for what, $50 for these designer clowns. I think I'm paying like $45 a piece for them when I buy them from the retail guys. But I've got my fill of frags. I had to walk around and decide what I wanted because luck, like for me, my luck is I see something I really like and then I walk away from it and it's gone as soon as I turn around and come back to it. So I'm back at this clown tank because I'm thinking about picking up a couple of these designer clowns and take home, drop them in my tank. I really was looking for lightning, but two lightnings at $60 a piece, $70. I can't remember what he said. It's just too rich for my blood. I don't even know how much money I've spent so far. I ended up picking up two designer clownfish. I couldn't beat the deal, man. It's like I'm always at the fish stores. You never see anything for the price that you see at the I don't know what you call it, like events like this. So two designer clowns. I spent $50 for two. I would have spent $50 each if I'd have bought them locally. And offline, you're spending at least $40 or $50 plus you're paying shipping. So that was a hell of a deal. I had to grab two, and then I think I'm gonna have to downsize a lot of the fish in my tank anyway because they're getting way too big for the tank, and I'm not sure if I can support the weight of a bigger tank. So I'm gonna take one more pass because I kind of just did a quick walkthrough to see if there was anything that I wanted before I made a decision because I'm indecisive as hell, and it took me like 45 minutes to pick out two clowns. And then I'm probably gonna get out of here because traffic's gonna be crazy. But I just want to do a quick walkthrough and show you guys some of the other things that are on the outside, and I'll talk to you later.